I don't think there's any one thing that makes me stand out from somebody else, but I do like to think I'm pretty good at reading people, pretty good at finding a common ground and breaking down to the core principle of developing a relationship.
Talk a little bit about your story, right? So how does someone like you, end up in real estate? Can you maybe just kind of give us a little insight into that?
My family's always been in real estate. It's all I've ever known. I came out of college. Day one is all I ever did. And so, my brother went north, my sister went south, and I somehow got ripped into the family business.
How do you stay motivated? How do you push through the stress, that this business brings?
My motivator, my why is always and will always be my family, and providing for them. So, I guess it comes down to the basic principle of provision. I wake up unemployed every day, which, nothing motivates you more than that. I think to a fault sometimes I'm a problem solver to my core, and again, we're compensated for performance, so it's figuring out what's the best straight line forward to achieving whatever it is you're trying to achieve.
What makes this man so unique at in your opinion, of what he does?
Probably his passion. He's got a lot of passion for helping clients and not just getting the deal done, but actually working with clients, making them feel comfortable through the entire process, which is key for us because this was a large house, a big purchase, needed a lot of work. So he was there just kind of, coaching us every step of the way.
You get to connect with people. You get to connect with your family over a cup of Joe, right? You get to connect with those around you, and that's kind of the theme of what I know about you, right? Like you're, one of the best connectors. Yes, the best strategic, thinkers, etc. But you have an ability to connect with people on a much deeper level.
I do believe I'm good at what I do. I do believe that I am serving in the space that I was meant to serve in. It's not always easy. I'm not the maybe right fit for everyone, but I do believe to my core, what you see is what you get. I am real. I am here for them, not for myself. That I do believe I am skilled in the arena that I play in.